Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is day 6 of daily challenge, and kindly take a moment to give your feedback in the comment section. And today's question is from differentiation. The equation of the curve 2y square plus 3xy plus x equals to x square show that dy over dx is this one. So we will take the equation, we will directly take this 2y squared plus 3xy plus x equals to x squared. Now differentiate with respect to x, right? When we differentiate with respect to x, we will do it on both sides. So this first one 2 remains as it is, and we have 2y dy over dx, right? Then plus 3 is outside. Here in the second term we have two terms, so we will use the product rule. So the first function x as it is, dy over dx, derivative of the second function, then plus y as it is and derivative of the first function, that is x, so a derivative of x is 1, right? Then plus we have derivative of x, that is 1, equals to, on the right hand side it will be 2x, then derivative of x, that is 1, right? So now I will open the brackets here, expanding this to 4y dy over dx and plus 3x dy over dx plus 3y it will be multiplied here, plus 1 equals to 2x, right? Now we are just going to combine the first two terms, because we can see here we have dy dx common. So inside we have 4y plus 3x and equals to 2x. I'm shifting both of these terms on right hand side, it will become negative 3y minus 1. So now we are looking for dy over dx, so this is 2x minus 3y minus 1, and then we are taking this on the right hand side, it will come in the denominator. So I'm just writing x term as the first term to look it similar to the previous one through the numerator. So as you can see, we have already got the form that we were required here. So dy over dx is 2x minus 3y minus 1 over 3x plus 4y. So hence we have shown that. So hence proved. I hope you understood that. Kindly take a moment to give your feedback. Thank you so much guys. Be blessed.